Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to add a watermark in Google Docs. If you've been searching for a way to put a watermark in a specific Google Docs file, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To add a watermark in Google Docs, first of all, open Google Docs in your computer web browser. Once you are in Google Docs, open the document where you want to add a watermark or create a new one. You can add any image, logo, or text as a watermark. I am going to add a watermark to this document. At the top of the screen, you will see the menu bar. Tap on the Insert menu. A drop-down menu appears. Scroll down the menu until you find Watermark and click on it. A new section will appear on the right side of your document. To add any image or logo as a watermark, click on Select Image and choose one from the internet or from your computer. Once uploaded, your image is added as a watermark on each page. You can change the size of the image from the Scale section. For more customization options, click on the More Image Options button. If you want to add text as a watermark instead of an image or logo, click on the Text tab. Add your text in the text box. You can customize the appearance of your text watermark using the formatting options available in the sidebar, such as changing the font family, size, color, and more. Once you're satisfied with the appearance of your text watermark, click the Done button at the bottom of the sidebar. The watermark will now appear behind your document content and repeat on every page by default. By following these simple steps, you can easily add text or image watermarks to your Google Docs documents.